Hello everyone, myself Pratibha Sonone from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction to hospital pharmacy. In last video we have already discussed about the clinical pharmacy. So today we will discuss about hospital pharmacy. After watching this video, you will be able to understand different types of pharmacy, introduction to hospital pharmacy and introduction to clinical pharmacy. Now what are the different types of pharmacies? Pharmacy is divided into different categories based on their functions. First one, hospital pharmacy. Second, community pharmacy. Third, clinical pharmacy. Fourth, compounding pharmacy. Fifth, veterinary pharmacy. Sixth, internet pharmacy. And seventh, nuclear pharmacy. Now, in hospital pharmacy, it is related to the OPD services, indoor services, both OPD and indoor services, and retail sale counter. Community pharmacy. In community pharmacy, pharmacist has to go to the community or a group of people, and there he has to discuss about different diseases, their symptoms, their treatment, and the information should be given to the different groups of patients. Then clinical pharmacy, it includes treatment to the patients. Then compounding pharmacy, in this pharmacy we have to discuss about how to formulate, how to compound the different medicines or different formulations. Then veterinary pharmacy, this pharmacy is related to the treatment to the domestic and wild animals. Then internet pharmacy, this type of pharmacy includes internet through which you are doing the sale of the medicines. And lastly, nuclear pharmacy, it includes radioactive material which is used for the different diagnosis, treatment of the diseases. Now we will discuss about hospital pharmacy. What is hospital pharmacy? It is a healthcare service which comprises the art, practice and profession of choosing, preparing, storing, compounding and dispensing medicines and medical devices, advising healthcare professionals and patients on their safe, effective and efficient use. In this type of pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, it is a responsibility of the pharmacist to provide accurate information to the patient so that the use of the drug will be safe. It will give a effective and efficient dose to the patient. Hospital pharmacy is a specialized field of pharmacy which forms an integrated part of patient healthcare in a health facility. Hospital pharmacy is a profession that strives to continuously maintain and improve the medication management and pharmaceutical care of patients to the highest standards in a hospital settings. Hospital pharmacists provide services to the patients and healthcare professionals in hospitals. What is the mission of the hospital pharmacist? What are the responsibilities of the hospital pharmacist? First, to be a part of the medication management in hospitals, which encompasses the entire way in which medicines are selected, procured, delivered, prescribed, administered, and reviewed to optimize the contribution that medicines make to producing informed and desired outcomes. Here, the pharmacist is responsible for selection or for procurement of the drug or procurement of the raw material from the manufacturer, delivered, prescribed and administered and reviewed to the optimized to get the maximum effect of the drug to the patient. Second, to enhance the safety and quality of all medicines related processes affecting patients of the hospital. That is, Pharmacist is responsible for the testing of the all material or raw material and the final product so that the patient will get the maximum effect and to maintain the quality of the medicine. Third, to ensure the 7 rights are respected, that is right patient, right dose, right route, right time with right drug, with the right information and documentation. For hospital pharmacist is responsible to select the right patient, and he should give a right dose through the right route, through for the right time and right information to the patient, and he should also be responsible for maintenance of the document of the patients. Hospital pharmacy is the organization or department of the hospitals to manage the procurement, storage, preservation, packaging, sterilization, compounding, preparation, dispensing or distribution of the medicines in the hospital. That means hospital pharmacist is responsible to procure the drug, raw material from different manufacturers, different suppliers. He should store these medicines or the raw materials in proper storage condition and preserve the drug in proper conditions. Packaging should be intact so that the patient will not have any side effect. Then sterilization, some drugs they should be stored in specific conditions, and the parental preparation they should be sterilized one. Then compounding, while formulating and compounding the medicine, proper precautions should be taken while compounding and dispensing and distribution of the medicines in the hospital. There are different classifications of pharmacy: indoor pharmacy in the hospital, outdoor pharmacy in the hospital, retail pharmacy, wholesale pharmacy and industrial pharmacy. Indoor pharmacy in the hospital, that means the pharmacy department which is available inside the hospital. Outdoor pharmacy is the department that is it is present outside the hospital. Retail pharmacy, retail pharmacy is related to the pharmacy which is not related to the hospital. It is present nearby area of the hospital. Wholesale pharmacy, in wholesale pharmacy the pharmacist collect the medicines from the manufacturer and supplies to the retail pharmacies. And industrial pharmacy, that is some industries, pharma industries, they have developed their own pharmacy in the uh, industries. It is called as a industrial pharmacy. I hope all of you understand what is the hospital pharmacy and what are the different types of pharmacy. And about the clinical pharmacy we have already discussed in the another video. Thank you.